Happy anniversary, my love.
Happy anniversary too.
Hi, lovelies. Hi, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You know what day it is? Can anybody guess what day it is? I'm gonna tell you in a minute, but I want you guys to guess first. You get it? Did you get it? It's our anniversary. Today is our anniversary. Today make 3 long years that we've been married. Happy anniversary, my love.
Happy anniversary too.
Today's our anniversary and he surprised me and took the day off from work.
Yeah, but I'm planning to go somewhere, not to stay too in the area, but
So
at least I spend the day with you. That's
he's not going to work today, and of course we're on our way to eat. So it's a lunch slash dinner date because it's late. I don't know what kind of late lunch. It's almost 4 p.m. and we're just leaving the house, but that's cool. So we're on our way going to get something to eat and enjoy the rest of the day and bring back good old memories. It's been 3 years, but it feels like it was just yesterday. I post, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'd see I post so many pictures of our wedding this morning. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box, so you can keep up with us. So yeah, we'll catch you guys in a bit and we'll tell you all the good stuff that we've been through and all the bad stuff that we've been through and give you guys some advice in a bit. But yeah, see that we're waiting on the bus because we're not driving as usual. We love taking the bus. So we'll catch you guys in a bit. We are back home. A little bit tired, but the outing was worth it. Baby! Leave me alone. So you guys, we're back home and we we of course going to watch some movies to end the night. I think we might drink a little wine. What do you think, babe? No?
I didn't think about it, but I have some champagne in the fridge.
Ooh, champagne! Alright, so we're gonna drink some champagne and watch some movies and send Tyler to his bed. And send Tyler to his bed. So you guys, I am reflecting back on the past 3 years. What has kept us going and in love each and every day. I don't know, he's a pain every single day, but I think that's what I love about him. I think we're so different. Our personalities are total opposite. I am the loud one. I'm the crazy one, and he's Mr. Quiet.
Looking at our song.
And he's Mr. Quiet,
Trying
Mr.
to
Silent.
figure out if it's coming from you or if it's because he can be loud sometimes.
And I think Tyler get both of our personality into one. Boy, that's trouble. He is such a loud kid, and then he can be such a quiet little charmer. And the loud part is so me, and the quiet charmer is so babe. But like I said, 3 years might not sound a lot, but it's a lot to us. And
It's just the beginning.
marriage for me, I wouldn't say marriage is perfect, but it's perfect for me. This is the way I like it. This is the way I think babe like it.
No. People, it's like things are not easy every day. Things are not easy every day. But you're married for a reason, and the reason why I got married is still the reason why I'm here. I mean, nothing changed, and with God's help, nothing gonna change. But it's not easy every day, but that's just remind you how much you love the other one and how much you enjoy living by your side. And yeah, I enjoyed this last 3 years.
In a marriage, you have to give and take. You have to compromise. I'm saying this to say that in a marriage, you have to work together. You have to love each other unconditionally, regardless of everything. And opposite attracts. I guess that's why we're together. Last 3 years has been nothing but fun and laughter and our crazy self, and I'll never have it any other way. Who would have thought that saying hello to somebody on Facebook would have resulted in this? You babe, who would have thought a simple hi, a simple hello, that all it took, and it shouldn't have been what it is now. Well, should I say shouldn't have? Well, it should have, because that's what happened. But
you can say thank you to Nicholas, because
yeah, thank you, Nico, for wanting to come to visit my country.
I wanted to go to Bahamas.
Because yes, you guys, if you want to know how we met, go and watch our love story. We met on Facebook, and the truth of the matter was he actually wanted to go and visit a small island. It was either somewhere, it was supposed to be somewhere in the Caribbean, but Jamaica was an option. It wasn't him alone, it was him and his friend. And then somehow I pop up on his Facebook advertisement bar, and he said me a friend request because he realized that I live in Jamaica, wanting to know the pros and cons of traveling to Jamaica. So that's how he ended up sending me a Facebook request. And all I was supposed to be is a simple tour guide, but I guess my tour went well. And here we are 3 years later. He is the absolute love of my life.
5 years and a half.
5 years and a half later, and 3 years of marriage, here we are. He's the absolute love of my life. I love this man to death. You guys know I have the softest heart when it comes onto him, and I wouldn't have it no other way. I love you, honey.
I love you too.
Okay, you guys, so you guys don't be afraid of getting married. Everybody out there who always says that they're afraid of getting married, when you know, you just know. And like I said, it's not easy, it's not gonna be perfect, but if you want it to work, it can work. We're not easy. I wouldn't say it's not easy for us, because I don't see anything hard in it for us, but yeah, so it is what it is. We are enjoying our 3 years of marriage, and thanks to everyone who tell us happy anniversary on my Instagram and on my Facebook. We love you all, we appreciate you all. Thanks for keeping up with our journey, and continue to travel this journey with us as our journey continues. Don't forget to catch up and keep up. Comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.